Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, there lived a little salamander named Sammy. Sammy was not like the other salamanders. He had a special gift: he could talk. Every day, Sammy would explore the forest, chatting with the animals and learning about their lives. One day, he met a shy squirrel named Squeaky. Squeaky was new to the forest and was looking for friends. Sammy introduced himself and invited Squeaky to join him on an adventure. Squeaky was thrilled and they set off together, hopping and scurrying through the forest. They climbed up tall trees, splashed in the crystal-clear stream, and played hide-and-seek among the tall grass. They laughed and talked, and Squeaky felt happier than ever. As the sun began to set, they found a beautiful meadow filled with flowers. There, they met a wise old owl named Oliver. Oliver told them about a magical flower that could grant a wish. Sammy and Squeaky were excited and asked Oliver to take them to the magical flower. Oliver agreed and led them to a secret garden, where the flower bloomed. Sammy and Squeaky looked at the beautiful, glowing flower and each made a wish. Sammy wished for a new friend every day, and Squeaky wished for a cozy home in the forest. As they closed their eyes and made their wishes, a bright light enveloped them. When they opened their eyes, they saw that their wishes had come true. Sammy now had a new friend every day, and Squeaky had a cozy home made just for her. They thanked Oliver and promised to take care of each other. From that day on, Sammy and Squeaky became the best of friends. They continued their adventures in the forest, meeting new friends and learning about the magic of the world around them. The end.